Hello friends, welcome to Django tutorial in Developers Planet. In last video we discussed about Django admin panel. In this video we will discuss about app, route and views in Django. So for this we will go to the official website of Django and we will click on get started with Django. Here we have write your first Django app. So we'll click on take the tutorial. So this is the tutorial which I am following, and in last video also we created this project. Django admin start project my site. So we are working on this project and we have already created these files and we have discussed about it, how we run our server and all. So now in today's video we will create an app. This is a polls app. So we will also discuss about the difference between project versus app. So let's go to our doc file. You will get the link of this file in description. I will paste it there. So let's discuss about project versus app. So what is an app? An app is a web application that does something, for example a weblog system, a login app, a store app or a product app. So what is a project? A project is a collection of configuration and apps for a particular website. So we have lots of configuration and apps we created. So it is collection of both the things. So a project can contain multiple apps and an app can be in multiple projects. So let's create our app polls. So the command is python manage.py start app polls. Polls is the name of the app here. So let's go to our D directory. Here our project is my site and our virtual environment is venv. So let's first activate our virtual environment. To work inside this, we will go inside the scripts. We'll type cmd. Command prompt is open now and we will type activate. So yes, now we are inside virtual environment venv. Now we'll go back to our project directory. So cd my site. Okay, so we will write command python manage.py start app polls. Let me go to the my site directory where we will create polls app, and let me align this folder parallel to this command prompt. And now hit this command python manage.py start app polls. So here polls folder is created. So this is our app. Now let's go to official website. So here we can see this directory should create, and we will check our polls folder. Yes, so these files init admin apps models test views, so these files are created. So things are fine. Let's write our first view. So here we can see that this is the simplest view possible in Django. So and we need to map this view with the URL, and what we are doing in this views file from django.http we are importing a method http response, and we are defining an index function, and inside this we are just simply returning http response using this http response method, and we are returning hello world, you are at the polls index. So let's copy this and keep this my site folder in Visual Studio Code for easy programming and coding. Let's open this polls views.py file. So here by default it is Django shortcuts import rendered. We will select all and erase this, just paste our code here. Okay, let's save this file. Now what we need to do, we need to call the view. So for that we need to map it with the URL. So we need to do a URL configuration. So what we will do, we will go to our my site, and inside this polls we will see that we don't have any URLs file here. So in app we don't get by default URL file, so we need to create a URLs file. So let's do copy paste. We should always prefer copy paste instead of typing. Yes, and paste it here in polls folder. So yes, we get a urls.py file. Okay, so this urls.py file is for polls and this one is for my site. Now let's go to our doc file. Here from Django.urls we are importing path. This path accepts some arguments like route and views, and from dot we are importing views for that index function which we have created in that. So let's copy this from here and paste it in urls.py of polls. Here we are just simply blank, we are not passing anything in route. So if blank URL will come after domain, it should call index function of views, and we have given name index as well. So here is the index function. It will return hello world, you are at the polls index. So let's go to my site urls.py. We will see here only admin route is defined. We have not done anything for polls URLs. So what we need to do is we need to map polls URL in the my site project. So for that we need to point out URL config at polls.urls. So in main project mysite.urls we will include this polls path here. So let's go to our mysite urls.py and we need to import include here. And we will say in path we will type polls, and here admin.site, let's copy paste from here. I'm very lazy in typing, so include polls.urls, just paste it here against polls route configuration, and yes, include polls.urls. So now whenever we will get polls in URL, it will go to polls.urls, and here it will check if nothing is provided after polls. It will go to this index function, and this index function will return hello world, you are at the polls index. Okay, so let's run py. Instead of Python we can write py also. So py manage.py run server. Yes, server is running fine. Let's go to the browser. So let's open our localhost at 8000 port and hit enter. Okay, we are getting page not found. So why it happened? So in mysite.urls, after admin, if we will do any change, so we need to define an empty URL also, but we have not done this. We have defined, let me show you. We have defined admin and polls. We have not done anything for empty URL. So that's why this error came. So we need to hit /polls. So yes, so now it's working fine and we are getting the response. Now let's quickly revise what we have done. We have created an app, polls app, and we made changes in our views file. We created a index function which was returning hello world, you are at the polls index. We created a URLs in polls app, and we have defined a path like for empty we need to call this function index. And in our main mysite URLs we have included the polls URLs. So that's it from this video. In next video we will discuss about the different databases which are supported in Django, and we will work with models and databases. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon in next video. Bye bye.